Just okay for me. You want more flavor, you can get it darker. So the darker it is, the more flavor you're getting there. Just be careful that you do not burn the caramel. So we have a lovely golden caramel in there. This is what we have. And then you start to add your passion fruit and double cream in there. Be careful, it does have the tendency to spit or splash. So please be careful when you're adding it in now. All right, so now I can get my wooden spoon in here without any fear of my sugar crystallizing. So double cream and passion fruit puree have gone in. Just need to simmer this for a few minutes just to get it thicker, a little bit more intense. And then we'll pour it on our chocolate, leave it cool, and then we'll pour it on our chocolate. So you see, when you add the cream and the passion fruit in little by little, gently, it doesn't lump up. But most people, because when you're trickling it in little by little, there's quite a lot of steam going on your hand, so most people just end up chucking it in all at once. It will form a lump, but like I said, at this stage, at the simmering stage, you just keep stirring it and the lump will dissolve. So don't throw it away. There's nothing wrong with it. Just leave it on the hob, keep stirring, and it will dissolve. Okay, so you can see the syrup has thickened nicely. We'll turn that off, give it a few minutes to rest. And then we're going to pour it on our chocolate. We're not going to stir it in immediately. We'll give it time to absorb into the chocolate before we stir it in. So syrup smells divine, and we're just waiting for that to cool. So this caramelized passion fruit filling is not just for your roulade. You can drizzle it on your cake. You can use it to serve ice creams. There is absolutely nothing not to like about this filling. You can sit down in front of the TV and just eat it by itself. It's absolutely delicious. Use it to layer your cakes as well, in between layers of cakes. Very nice filling, and it does keep very well.